one still is form. But I don't mean it. You don't mean it? Yeah. But you did it. You don't mean it. But you did it. But you did it. That's funny. What's dumb?
The cord? The cord? The rope. Sige, rope na lang. Cord, yung rope, pa. Kaya masaya pa ka na. Masaya kami nasa yung bayan. Ha?
My dear people of
The Philippines. Kasagar?
Oh, sorry. Kasgar. My dear people, Kasgar.
Kasgar ulit. Witness the presentation of Virgil.
Thank you.
How to execute.
This day, the first thing to do is these young merchants have killed a poor little hunchback, and now she will be executed.
Sige, umiyon ko kanang malatog. The executioner had fastened. Imo i-enact naman lo. Sige, imo i-bisik-bisikan mo siya. The executioner had fastened the cord around the merchant's neck and was just going to draw him up into the air when the Sultan's purveyor forced his way through the crowd and rushing straight forward, the executioner called out. Ikaw na mo, Nick. Yeah. Oy, Monique! Yan ang nag-stop! Nakato ka mo dong niya.
One. Two. Stop! You're going to say it in this person. You think it as some guilt and that. If you were not to I will let party work in my conscience with the murder of a Christian and innocent woman. So in short, you're the one who killed this little hunchback. Okay, let's go there. Yeah.
Ha?
That's the merchant's goal. Executor. There's the merchant. And Chang lay in his head.
Sige, may napagkamalatog. The executioner immediately unbound the merchant and put the rope round, sige, may mo nang pakalawan dyan, and put the rope around the neck of the purveyor. But at the very instant, when he was going to put his new victim to death, he heard the voice of the Jewish physician.
This Muslim about the fact all of life does not deserve to die. I alone, I'm the unhappy culprit. About the middle of last night, a man and a woman who are total strangers to me. A man and a woman.
Yeah, he
came and knocked at my door. They brought with them a sick person. My father was to the door without waiting for a light and having first received a piece of money from one of the visitors. She came to me and said they wished I would come down and look at the While she was bringing me this message, they brought the patient to the top of the stairs and went to the ring. I went out directly, but waiting till my servant had lighted the candle, and falling over the sick man's heart. I gave him a sensual kiss, and he fell from his top to the bottom. And then,
Puso si galit lot. Sunod gani mo. Labay-labay. Sunod gani. Sunod gani. Pag nalagin pa niya. Pag labay-labay ka lot. Nagyaw-yaw ka nalikot na lot.
You are the one who murdered that Handa, and she is the innocent one. Yes, Madame. Take the killer. Let go that lady and come.
Mana ka ni mo you're free. Manam ka.
I agree. You.
Kene. Convinced that Jewish physician was a true murderer, the judge now ordered the executioner to seize him and set the purveyor at liberty. The cord was placed around the neck of the physician, and in another moment, he would have been a dead man. When the voice of the tailor was heard entreating the executioner to stop, and presently the tailor pushed his way to the judge, to whom he said,
"Stop, madam. I'm the one who killed it.
"Who killed me?"
Who killed this husband? One day,
Doon na po niya. Ito, maaari ka ta sa audience, Char. One day.
he came to my house.
Char,
I
may
was
imot.
beautiful form, so I invited him to have a dinner with my wife. Then,
So, pasok ka dyan. Then,
a bone stuck with
kadi siya din sa imong kuan.
that's why he and that's what he did. And he died at a short time. So I brought him to the physician.
Oh, I get it. You are the one. The two murderer of this, the two murderer. The one. The real murderer. Let's go, that physician. And talk. Never said.
The judge and all the spectators were filled with astonishment at the very strange events to which the death of the little hunchback had given rise. Okay. Moreover, while all this was going on, and the executioner was preparing to hang the tailor, the Sultan of Kasgar, who never allowed any length of time to pass while seeing the hunchback, his Chester, ordered that he should be summoned into his presence. One of the attendants replied,
The little hunchback, whom your Majesty yesterday, became sick and escaped from the palace, contrary to his usual custom, to wander about the city. And this morning, he was found dead, and might have been brought before the judge, accused of his murder, and the judge immediately ordered the gibbet to be arrested. At the very moment they were going to hang the culprit, another man came up to the gallows and said a word. Each of these accused himself, and declared the rest were innocent of the murder. All this took up some time, and the judge was at this moment in the very act of examining the third of these men, who said he is the real murderer.
God will pass scene and command the judge to bring all the accused persons instantly before me and order them also to bring the body of the poor little hunchback whom I wish to see once more.
Okay, madam.
officer instantly went and arrived at the very moment when the executioner, oy, dali, accelerate up. Agad baka to ihukot pa, dali. Ihukot ka, John, pagani ka, John. Ihukot ka, John, lingkod na, John, agtighukot. Sarong. Ay, di ay. Ikaw si hukot, Lot, ikaw si hukot. Oh, ikaw si hukot. Wala pa may sultan. Attendance? Di siya kuan? Di siya hunchback? Ha? Wait. Basta i-reenact na. Kay Babot Orlando. Ay, uy! The officer instantly went and arrived at the very moment when the executioner was beginning to draw the cord in order to hang the tailor. Sige, abot lang. Piso? Di, ikaw na maghukot-hukot na kaato niya. Murag mawara bitaw ang scene, kailangan na pud nga scene ba? O, pero labot gihapon to sa... Ha? O, for the meantime, in the palace, magsurisuri ka, tumalot, mag-sultan of Skaskar, para may buwan niya, ikaw mag-sultan of Skaskar ba? Nya, mulingkod ka, nya, mabot si Miriam. Sige, hukot-hukot sa, nya, mabot ka Miriam, magkuhan, mag-ibod. Oh, nyo kamang lakad sila lot, mula ka pagkana. Makatawa naman sila sa Toy Story. Ay, kaya ang tigukot, kaya mong pisutan. Sige, lingkod ka na, lot. Uy, lot sa mga chingko yung pagkana. The judge proceeded to the palace with the tailor, the Jew, the purveyor, and the Christian merchant in order for his people to carry the body. Hindi yung ngayon, tanan. Huwag ka mo tanan mo dahil ni Kano, ni Borbot.
Why did you call us?
Wow. Oh, dili naman siguro, murag, mo-narrate na ko niya. Murag, mingo na kami, aming na mo ba, na mo-narrate na ko. We're here. What do you want us to do niya? Murag mo post mo niya, ako na mo-narrate. At post na mo. Sige, asa mo napit. As soon as the judge presented himself to monarch's feet, and when he rose a faithful and accurate receipt of everything. Istorya ni mo, me. Magana ka niya, mag-narrate ka rin. Kaya, as soon as they came to the presence of the Sultan, the judge prostrated himself at the monarch's feet, and when he rose, he gave a faithful and accurate detail of everything that related to the adventure of the hunchback. I sabi, the Sultan thought it so very singular that addressing himself to those who were present, he said, sige, ikaw na malot. Oh, she said, has any one of you ever... Over. Ay, ka na pinagpatay. Sige. Christian merchant, oy, Christian merchant. Sarong, ikaw na ba yan?
Powerful model.
Char.
I think I know what to do.
Feel more.
Surprising than that, which you have just heard, and if your Majesty will grant me permission, I will relay it.
The Sultan gave the merchant permission to speak. Sige, okay, you can speak. Mana ka? Okay, speak. Mana ka? Speak. And the latter began his history in these words. Ano na kami yan?